search and rescue operations were launched, in which Delhi, along with Delhi Police, Delhi Fire Service and NDRF was also involved. At the end of the search and rescue operation, 3 dead bodies were recovered from the basement. All 3 of them have been identified and the family members have been informed. We have also registered a case in this matter. This case has been registered under section 105, 1061, 115(2), 290 and 35 of the BNS. This case is against the coaching institute, the management of the building, those who are responsible for the maintenance of the drains in that particular place, and against others whose roles will come in the investigation. So far we have detained 2 persons who are the owner and coordinator of that coaching center, and we are carrying out the further investigation diligently. Nobody will be spared who is responsible for this incident.
आपका ये स्टेटमेंट है कि 3 बच्चे थे, 3 बच्चे डेथ हो गए, अभी कोई नहीं अंदर, कोई नहीं है।